Hello guys, it's Darchin Gaming. Today I'm going to be unboxing some box. So let's do this. Let's unbox a Triumph crate. Use key, yes. Rare shit, obviously. Let's see what I get. Oh shit. Damn! I fucking like that. Alright, let's use another key because I can. Let's check what I'm gonna get. Guaranteed it's gonna be something like paint. Oh please, no, not Reaper again. I hate Reaper. Cool. Alright, let's use more keys. Another fucking burnout. Lovely. I got this again, what the fuck? Alright, 2 more keys. Alright, starting on burnout, let's do this. Oh man, I'd love... Wind sweep. Yay, I guess. Yeah, it's a new skin I think I got. Let's check what I got. Fuck! Damn it. Oh my god, I have 3 of those. Is that all the fucking crates I got? I opened up all the bloody crates. Peace it out, you guys.